In order to test the source of your answers, look at section B on your power chart, and we have source of information, who is involved. And this is the key. So what you want when you're dowsing is answers from your Trinity and source, not the assigned souls, not any other spirit that's hanging around. Traditional dowsing will use the soul, or the high self committee, it's called, to funnel answers through. And in doing life weaving, because so many of the physical problems are a result of past life deaths, perhaps, the ego would be keeping track of in the fears. The human self is always making decisions, most of them bad, about things. So by harmonizing the Trinity, the ego, self, soul, we work with them to align them with the divine plan, with source. So when I'm asking, a lot of times I'll just get a kind of a gut feeling. I need to check this because it's important, or you get a feeling that you're being played with the answers. They're not making sense at all. So I'll ask, when I get those, start on my neutral line, who gave me that answer? And I get source, Trinity. I will ask anyone else. Nope, we're going back to neutral. So I know that the answer should be correct. The next thing I check is, if I'm questioning, is this answer infinitely truthful? And for this, we're looking at a yes or no chart typically. Is this answer infinitely truthful? Yes. Is this a lie in any way, shape, or form? No, not a lie. And is that answer a lie? And it goes to no. So that is how I test. And I'll ask Spirit to give me an example where we're not getting the truthful answer. Okay, I'm going to ask, is that, in this question that I'm asking now, a lie? Ah, that didn't work. Is it, let me get an answer together. Okay, is the answer I've just received infinitely truthful? Yes. Is this a lie in any way, shape, or form? And if you could see how slow the pendulum took to get to the no section. And that is a dead giveaway. And we could ask, is that no a lie? And it goes back to yes. So if you do this quickly, you can definitely catch any mischievous spirits that are trying to figure things out, trying to interfere. So, and I will ask, are the answers I'm getting right now infinitely truthful? Yes. Is this a lie in any way, shape, or form? No. Is this a lie? No. As opposed to an example of a lie. So are the answers that I've gotten infinitely truthful? Yes. Is this a lie in any way, shape, or form? No. Oh, really? Is this a lie? Yes. So you can test yourself very quickly with just a yes, no, left, right side to see if the answers are truthful or not.